Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I'm going to do a card reading for this whole week, which is going to be from Monday till Sunday. I have already put my intention in my prayers, and so I'm going to shuffle my card. And the card deck which I'm using today is the Keeper of the Light, and the another card deck which I'm using is the Super Attractor. So let me start shuffling the card, and let's see how many cards angel are guiding me to pick. And this is a really powerful deck. I'm using for the first time, but I have seen the cards and they are really nice and wonderful. That's why I'm really very excited for this week. I don't know what cards we are coming and how many cards Angel are asking me to pick. So I got first card, I got second card. Wow, it's looking really nice. So I'm going to shuffle one more time. And I don't know how many times they will ask me, but okay. I think this card flipped, so this is the card, because whenever the card flips, that means that's a card from the angel and they are guiding us to see that card also. So I think they are asking me to pick one or two more cards, so I always follow the guidance and listen to them. So yes, I think there are a few more cards, so I'm not sure which one, so I think there will be one more card. Wow. So here, okay. So I got card from this deck. Now I'm going to shuffle from another deck and pick the cards, and then I will do my reading. From this deck, if you see that the cards are coming every week, that means you have to use that affirmation a lot. And you need to work on that affirmation. I'm really excited because this is also a very nice deck, and I like the messages what we get from this deck. I'm going to shuffle one more time. Let's see how many cards they are guiding me to pick. One, two. That's it done. So I have picked cards from both the deck, and I'll start reading. The first card. Hilarion, Divine Healing. Honor your sensitivity. Retreat to recharge and heal. Your light can support others. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: Hilarion is a spiritual master who lived in the Middle East during the 4th century. At the age of 15, he felt the call to go to the retreat of Saint Anthony in the Egyptian desert. This way, busy with people needing healing. So after a while, he went back home with some monks. During that time, his parents passed away, and it is said that Hilarion was so devoted to service, he gave all of their estate to his brothers and the poor. For the rest of his life, he lived as a hermit in a cave and was said to perform miracles with his prayers and touch. To this day, he is dedicated to healing, but he also has spiritual people who feel overly sensitive to overcome their challenges and integrate with the normal world. Extended message: the world can seem overwhelming to you, and it's okay to retreat to a safe space every now and then to cleanse and recharge your energy. You may feel called to serve others or share your healing with them, but please ensure you are filled up with light, love, and energy so that you are not sacrificing your own development for others. You are surrounded by the healing light of Hilarion and the healing angels at this time, so that you can recharge and feel whole. Next card. Archangel Michael, trusting heaven. You are safe. Angels stand close. Surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: Archangel Michael, Saint Michael, is one of the 4 major archangels in the Abrahamic religions. His twin flame is faith. He is loved all over the world because he is the patron saint of protection. He wields a bright sword of light to help us detach from dramas, challenges, or fear. His name means He who is like God, and His fiery presence helps awaken our leadership skill and remind us that we have the capacity to connect with heaven. If challenges are present in your life, call on Michael to bring his sword of light to energetically disconnect you from what's no longer serving you. Extended message. Your angel team is with you now. You are not in this alone. You may be feeling sensitive or overwhelmed, but your angels are inviting you to take a step back so that they can come in and share their light of miracles. You may feel that your prayers aren't heard, but that doubt blocks solutions from entering your life. Know that Archangel Michael and his legion of angels are here to help clearly anything that's not serving you so that you can allow in the miracles of change that you deserve. Next card, Kuthumi, Clock of Wisdom. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is Kuthumi, pronounced Kuthumi, is an ascended master who appears as a well-dressed Indian man with a golden aura. Teaching were brought to the world by Madame Blavatsky in 19th century. There are many different theories as to his true identity. Many believe he was a wandering man known as a rishi in India, dedicated to walking the path of spirit with very few material possessions. Others believe him to have been a well-educated Sikh spiritual leader who was given pseudonym to protect his true identity. I believe that he lived a high life but through spiritual practice was able to let go of his need for material possessions. Now he helps lightworkers go beyond the limits set by others and cultivate a personal connection to God. Extended message. Knowledge is learned. Wisdom is remembered. You are in a real clock of wisdom now. Like Kuthumi, you have been a wandering path trying to find answers through stories and the insights of others, but now you are uncovering the truth of your own soul. Your soul is leading the way and you are being encouraged to follow. The fog is clearing. The light has come and it is shine on you. Your soul is saying, yes, it's your cheerleader. Follow it and trust the endless wisdom within you. Go, go, go. Next card, Charity, Prayer and Contemplation. Connect with heaven. Ask and you shall receive. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is faith, hope and charity are a trinity of archangels who are dedicated to helping us regain our natural traits of kindness, trust and faith in the highest good. Charity is the twin flame of Archangel Michael. She has a great spirit that encourages us to undertake the spiritual practice of prayer and meditation. Prayer is the way we speak with the divine, and meditation is the way we open ourselves to receive the answers we need to hear. Charity is also the angel who kisses the forehead of all those who pray in support of others. She absolutely loves to see this kindness because it creates an inspirational healing view of goodwill to the world. Extended message. The powerful Archangel Charity is drawing close to you at this time because she has recognized that you have goodness in your heart and you have put others first. She brings you thanks and support. Move into prayers and meditation with regard to any decisions you have to make at this time. You are being guided to take the time to breathe and receive. Know that you will have a real surge of intuitions when it's time to move forward. Thank the angels for guiding you towards your highest good and welcome Charity in the space with you. Next card, Mercury, open communication. Get a weight off your chest. Speak up with love and be heard. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is Mercury is the Roman god of messages and communication. In Greek mythology, he is known as Hermes. He has often been depicted with wings on his feet, representing his capacity to be swift, and carrying a caduceus, the same healing wand that Archangel Raphael is known to carry. As well as overseeing communication, he oversees the planet Mercury. When this goes retrograde, which means it appears to go backward when seen from the earth, communication can be delayed or difficult, we can call on Mercury for help with loving, honesty, and open conversations, divinations, and any form of expressive art such as writing, poetry, and journalism. He can also help us heal miscommunications that have caused distress. Extended message. Open all levels of communications now. Important messages, informations, and insights are being shared. You may hear from an old friend or a family member or have an opportunity to finally understand a love. When you have not had an easy time with you, you may be able to clarify situations where you feel you weren't heard properly or were misunderstood. Get things off your chest in a loving way so that you can clear all the roads to love in your life. Listen to communication is a two-way street. Mercury is here now to allow you to hear clearly and be heard. Next card. Holy Amethyst, Divine Alchemy. Move beyond current challenges. Focus on what you deserve. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: Holy Amethyst is the twin flame of Archangel Michael, the angel who helps us transmute negative experience into love and learning. He is the keeper of the violet flame, which helps us to release anything that is no longer serving us. Holy Amethyst also enables us to look over our past fears and challenges and draw wisdom and learning from them. Unlike Jadkel, for many years she was not mentioned in spiritual texts, and I believe this was because her miraculous support wasn't needed on earth as it is now. To connect deeply with her light, hold her namesake crystal. Extended message: you are ready to move beyond energies and situations that are no longer helpful to you and make space in your life for something more purposeful. You may feel a real need for clearing out, not just mentally or emotionally, but physically too. There is a sense that you are moving beyond challenges and forging golden opportunities from stagnant or unhappy experience. It's important to recognize that you are like a magician at this time, with the ability to use your thoughts, will, and actions to bring about life-fulfilling and dream-enhancing opportunity. It's important to focus on what you desire and not what you fear, because what you give your energy to will literally begin to flourish. Call on Holy Amethyst to help you focus on golden opportunities. Last but not the least, Lord Shiva, Transcendence. Rise up, honor your inner force. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: Shiva is one of Indians' trinity of male god figures. He is depicted wearing a cobra around his neck, representing his capacity to tame fear or the ego. Surrounded by stars, showing his connection to the cosmos, and holding a trident, acknowledging the three aspects of divine masculine power in India: creator, preserver, and destroyer. He is known as the destroyer because of his warrior-like energy and ability to destroy fear. He is a facet of the Divine Father energy and offers paternal protection, support, and guidance. He is also acknowledged as the cosmic dancer because he helps coordinate the interaction between Earth and the cosmos. He has the capacity to help us move beyond the fear of failure and into clarity and connection. Extended message: Lord Shiva is with you right now to awaken your sense of connection to life itself. You are moving through a deep transition and things will be clear from this point. You will know exactly what you need to do and where you need to be. This is a powerful time as you will transcend the limitations that others have set for you. It is time of innovations, ideas, stargazing, soul traveling, and soul reviling. Shiva, the Lord of Dance, is here with his car sound of Om to lead the way. So this was the card reading from this deck, and now another deck. So the first card: I accept that good things come easily. I am a super attractor. Next card. When I am grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. Next card. Feeling good will bring me far from than whatever I thought I needed. Next card. When I am tuned in to the energy of abundance, I become abundant. Next card. I let the universe catch up with my dreams. Last but not the least, it's good to feel good. So this was the carding for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. I want to say thanks to all the people who are inspiring me to make this video and the people who are helping me to make this video. Thank you all of you. For all my services, you guys can reach out to me through my email ID. And so people who are associated with me through social media, of course you guys can contact me through WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook and Skype. And definitely I would love to help you guys and work with you. Till I see you next time. I, Sangeeta Patel, take your leave with lots of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.